So there's this AAV vent, but it basically lets air in, so it keeps the water from going through, so that there's not a vacuum that slows down the water going down the drain. Where I put it is too low when the water gets filling and blocking the drain up here. So I'll show you. So when we pour a little bit of water down, it's fine. But if I pour a lot down and no air can get through, then it's going to start slowing down. It could go really slow down the drain and can stop. I don't have this up high enough. So if I unscrew it, then the water drains faster.
Okay.
So I looked up the plumbing code and it says it's supposed to be 4 inches above the flood rim. So the flood rim would be the top of the sink. That's not going to happen because we're not going to have this ugly thing sticking above the
Kitchen island.
Above the island. So the best we can do is to the bottom of here, which is still way better. So we're still going to go several inches higher than I am. And the way we're going to do that, I'm going to cut this off and take these 2 long sweeps, go like this, and then put an extension up there, and in the very back, then it'll stick up high. So it'll go like that. Then we got a piece to go in here, and then we're going to have one to go in here. And then we'll go like this, and like this, and then like this.
This is just like Minecraft.
And then we'll go up here. But to make sure it's not too high, we need to have it just barely in there, because if this goes bad, we need to be able to replace it. So you need to have a bit of room up top so that you can unscrew it and put a different one in. Barely put it in there and make sure it doesn't hit the top. Yep, that's gonna work. And that'll do. We'll go like this to give ourselves a little more room. Guess I better measure where we're gonna screw the faucets in before I glue this in. Well, it's draining.